It's another video again. It's 2 a.m. I just closed the trade and I just thought I should share this with you. I spoke about top-down analysis in my previous video. It's a system, the way we analyze and mark up the chart. Top-down analysis, that is, we analyze from a higher time frame perspective, looking at the chart as a whole and what the price has been doing on a higher time frame. We get the big picture on a higher time frame, and then we analyze down to a lower time frame, and then use the lower time frame for our entries, and then we'll manage the trade on a higher time frame. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please do so. You get a lot from it, especially the psychological aspect of trading. I've always, said it's not all about, marking up charts and doing of analysis every time, but today I'll be, showing you a bit of the chart markup and the strategies and how I look at the price, the chart technically. So this is the chart, and let's begin. Let's do a markup for, let's say, this is a previous markup I did, and I'm waiting for this trade at the moment. Whenever it comes up, I'll just take it. But let's do a markup for, let's say, pounds versus the dollars. So this is it. Like I said, top-down analysis. We start from the dailies. This is the daily, and from here, what are we saying here? This particular area of the chart, always, we look left to the chart of the chart. So this particular area is telling a story. This was the previous high. It was broken. And so since this is broken, this entire area is telling a story. And what is it saying? So this is how I mark my chart up. From here up till this area will be regarded as the area of support. The price, kind of created a channel here. And so what we are looking at is, from where price made, a rally and where it dropped and then moved up again. So all this area, I'll consider this area as an area of support. And so when we extend it downward, we see it happening, just here. Long same area. When you draw these lines of support, you need to put the wicks into consideration. And so from here, this part, price is also telling a story. All these areas, this region, consider here resistance. And so this is it. This is on a daily time frame. This is on a daily time frame. And so let's go down lower. Let's say 4 hours. This is on the 4-hour time frame. This is 4 hours. You see what's happening on the 4 hour. It's more defined on the 4 hour. Look at it. Each time price hits the resistance line, it drops from here, and then let's go back and see what has been happening. You see, same with the support. And so we want to trade off the support and the resistance. And so whenever price gets to the support or the resistance line, we want to be paying attention to what price does at the support or resistance line. And so this is it. So we can go down on a lower time frame. Let's say 1 hour. See what price is doing on a 1 hour time frame. This is it. More defined. We can't take any trade along this path for now until price gets to this region of resistance or the area of support. And so we need to play the patient game here while we wait for price to get to either of this region. And so that's that about marking up the chart. Not just this, there are different patterns that we watch out for, but this is just one of those ways of marking up the chart. The chart like created a channel, and it's left for you to decide if you want to trade within the channel or you want to wait for price to close clearly outside the channel, either below or above, and then you have a breakout, and then you trade in the direction of which price decides to close outside the channel. But something, this is just like playing the game of football. Each time you get close to the goalpost, you need to strike, you need to take a shot. And that's the problem with us, we overanalyze, but keeping it simple is key. When price gets to either of the region, either the resistance or the support, you need to take a shot. You pay attention to what price does there and you need to take a shot. Don't overanalyze the chart. This is the problem. Some people have, moving average lines everywhere, and the chart is just, keep it simple. That's the key. And so that's it. I'll be posting more videos on chart analysis, and with time you see how more of of these charts are being marked out. And I have I have a very good pattern, a pattern that I always like to trade when it comes up, which is the ascending wedge pattern. But this, it's not up to date, and so I'll keep posting videos about chart markup and all that. We just look out for repeatable patterns. That's what we do. And so that's it for the chart for today. For now, I'll be posting more videos. That was it. Please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a video. And I'll be uploading more videos on chart markup, especially trades that I will be taking. And so it's good you subscribe to the channel so you get notified, especially when I do a markup for a trade that I'll be taking, and so you can take a similar trade as well. Thank you.